Hello, kids! Welcome back! Let's finish the alphabet together. S is for ship.
Ship.
T is for tiger.
Tiger.
U is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
V is for vulture.
Vulture.
W is for whale.
Whale.
X is for Xmas tree.
Xmas tree.
Y is for yak.
Yak.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra.
Fantastic job, kids! You learned the alphabet from A to Z. See you again. Bye-bye.